Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some Mermaid aesthetic press-on nails. This is just a sneak peek here of what the finished product is going to look like. I always like to make one first, and here I'm just going to show you the supplies I'm using. These are extra short square nails. They come in a 500 piece pack. I got these, I believe, off of Amazon. You can get them from eBay, Temu, anywhere. And I buffed them up already and filed them straight on the tip off camera just to save some time. So I'm just going to apply them to my nail stands right here. I do reuse my putty and I find that it lasts quite a while for me personally, and I do like the putty better than the little stickers. I don't know, they just didn't work for me in the past. I'll have to give them a try again. So they're on the stand right there, and I'm just going to show you what we're going to be using along with this in just a second. These are super easy. I found some inspiration off of Pinterest. I'll show you the picture in a second. I'm using C007 from ROSALIND, this glossy top coat from SWATCHING, which is a wipe top coat, this Dare to Shine Nail Reserve polish. It's super glittery, super pretty, just for some accent nails. I'm going to be using this pigment powder, the shimmery light blue, which is from Temu or Shein, I don't remember, and I'm going to be using some pearls and just the silver seashell and star charms. I just have a couple extras in that little holder there. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this purple polish, curing for 60 seconds in between. I do show you both coats just so you could see the opacity difference, but honestly 1 coat would have been just fine. And I'm making sure that I do thin coats because I don't want to like bulk up these shorties too much at all, because I have had that happen to me in the past. So just try to do your coats thin if you can. And I'm always double checking my sides to make sure that I covered every drop of nail, because I do not want any edges showing. I want this purple gel everywhere. So I'm just going to carefully paint these and then cure this layer for 60 seconds, and I'm going to apply a second coat as well. So while we're painting here, I'll add my inspo pic that I found. I just took a little bit of inspiration from this set. I'm going to put it up right here. And I'm not sure who to credit for these nails, but like I said, I found it on Pinterest, so there it is right there. These gels are really, really nice. Again, they're by ROSALIND. 1 coat would have been perfect, but I ended up doing 2 just to make them really opaque. These cure so nicely. I've done, I believe, a whole swatching video on these. It's a 100-piece mini kit I bought off of Amazon, and I really, really like them. The colors are so nice. The black is really, really nice. So I've just been using them a lot lately. So yeah, if you're interested, you can go search through my videos, or I'll leave a link actually down below to the swatching video, so you can check that out next when you're done watching this video. So I'm just going to continue painting these, the base color. I'm going to do 2 coats. Like I said, if you want to skip through to that part, we get to top coating and the designing at around 4:28, just in case you want to skip past the painting, but I didn't want to take it out because I just thought it was helpful so you can see what the color differences look like. So again, if you want to get right to the rest of the video, you can skip to 4:28. So this is what the 2 coats look like. Super smooth, super pretty, completely opaque. I made sure I got every part of that nail, and this is the SWATCHING top coat I'm going to be using. And again, it is a top coat that you have to wipe with alcohol if you want to get that inhibition layer off, but I'm not going to be doing that because I'm purposely doing this because I want the pigment powder to stick to these, and it works really, really well. This is a nice thicker type of top coat. I'm usually into more thinner slippy ones, but this one is really beautiful. It's so shiny. So I'm just going to do a nice even coat of this top coat, and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then we're going to move on to the fun parts. And guys, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. If you could maybe like this video for me, it would mean a lot, and it would definitely help me out. And if you're still here watching, comment me down below some purple hearts and some type of beach emoji so I know that you're here. So I'm going to cure this top coat for 60 seconds, and then we're going to get to applying the sparkly Aurora pigment powder. So I'm going to use one of these sponge tip applicators that I believe it comes with, but I have a couple extra laying around, so I think it comes with some. I'm going to use that light blue shade in the left corner, and I'm just going to take the nails and rub it on one by one, and then I'm going to dust it off with my dust brush and get on to the decorating part. So now I'm going to take this Nail Reserve LA Dare to Shine gel polish. I love this one. It's so sparkly. Look at that. It's one of my absolute favorites. I got it in my last PR package from them. So I'm just going to take that and kind of randomly brush some on the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky, just in a random way. And then that only has to cure for 30 seconds, which is really nice because sometimes 60 seconds feels like it takes forever. So yeah, just doing that on all 3 nails that I chose, and then curing it for 30 seconds, and then we're going to move on to the next part. And I'll have Nail Reserve's website linked down below. That's my code HayleyMarie, and you can get 50% off of 2 products from their site, which is really, really a good deal. I love their stuff so much. So now we're ready to move on to this next part. I have my little Flash Cure flashlight, a wax pencil, a top coat, and my rhinestone glue. And my rhinestones, I'm only using those silver shells, not those gold ones, so just don't even look at those. So I'm gonna start just decorating these minimally, and this is definitely very beginner friendly. It's really self-explanatory. I definitely need more practice with the 3D gel work, but it is what it is. It still turned out pretty cute. So I'm just putting a little bit on the thumb, and I'm taking one of these little silver rhinestones. I believe I got these off of Amazon like a really long time ago, but I'm sure now they have everything on Temu and Shein, so just wherever you choose to shop from, you can definitely find them. And I'm just taking some pearls and I'm putting that on as well. And really, I can't believe how much I use these pearls. When I got them, I didn't really think I was going to use them, and I really got them to like paint as eyeballs, which is like really weird, but they look really good on nail sets as just pearls, and I have yet to paint them as eyeballs, so maybe I'll have to do that in the near future. And I'm just going to flash cure that with the flashlight LED light for just a couple of seconds so it doesn't move until I'm ready to cure the whole hand. And on the middle finger, I'm just going to put some of these, what are they? Starfish. 2 starfish and some pearls, and I'm just going to do the same thing and just move on to the rest of the nails. So I cured that for 60 seconds to get the rhinestone glue all cured up, and now I'm just going to take this Macart top coat. It's a no white. You can use whatever you want. This is just the one I have open that I'm trying to finish up, and I'm going to seal in all the rhinestones, all the pearls. You want to make sure you go over the pearls and any edges, because you don't want the like shininess to chip off, and you don't want any of them to pull off of the nail. So just make sure you do a healthy top coat and go over all your charms, and you should be good to go. And I'm going to give that a 60-second cure when I am done doing that. And here's what they're looking like all done. I'm really happy with this set. It was super easy, beginner friendly, and just, I don't know, I think they're really cute. Let me know down below what you think, if you like them, what can I improve on next time. If you have any tips, definitely let me know. I'm just going to pop these off of the nail stand and let you get a final look at both hands done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this press-on nail set. And if you have any requests, you can also leave those down below. And if you're not subscribed, definitely consider subscribing, because I would love to have you join the nail family, and I'm trying really hard to reach 1,000 subscribers, so hopefully soon. And hopefully when I do reach 1,000 subscribers, I want to do a 1,000 subscriber special, so I'm kind of just thinking up some ideas for that, and I will definitely keep you posted on that. So again, I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a like if you liked it. Leave me a comment if you would like to, and I will see you guys in the next video.